Good morning, students. I am Amos Michael, teaching physics in Mount Zion Matriculation as secondary school, Pudukkottai. So, in these presentations, our learning objectives are disadvantages of friction, methods of increasing friction, and what are the methods to reduce the friction. Disadvantages of friction. So, and disadvantage. Tiny pieces breaks off a surface when it rubs against the surface. The wear and tear due to the friction can happen quickly or slowly depending on the nature of the surface. So, if the surface is very rough enough, then wear and tear will happen very quick. Friction wears away the soles of our shoes. When the soles of our shoes rub against the rough surface of the road, the tiny pieces of the soles keeps on breaking off, due to which soles of our shoes wear out gradually. So the soles of our shoes get damaged and become unfit to wear. As you see in the picture, this is the bottom surface. The bottom part of the shoe is called sole, S-O-L-E, sole, and this is the sole of the shoe, and because of the frictional force, the tiny pieces of the soles keep on breaking. As a result, it gets damaged and become unfit to wear. The tires of vehicles wear out gradually due to friction. When the vehicle runs on the road, due to friction, tiny pieces of the rubber keep on breaking that threads of the surface of the tire and make it to worn out. So the car is skidding. So here, what is the tread of the tire? This one is called the tread of the tire. So this is the fresh tire, new tire. So before driving, the shape of the tire will be like this. So after driving many kilometers, your tire will get damaged and wear and tear will take place because of the frictional force. As a result, while you are applying brake, you cannot stop the car properly. So the car or the vehicle may skidding. The friction wears out the brake pads of vehicles. When the brakes of vehicles are applied, a lot of friction is produced between the brake pads or disc and the moving part of the vehicle. Due to this, brake pads of vehicles have to be replaced quite often. In these pictures, you have seen the various brake pads. So this is the brake pad of a bicycle, and this one is the brake pad of a two-wheeler. You can see the picture. This is your wheel, and inside this drum, you will have this type of brake pads. So this enables us to brake a vehicle without going fast. So another type of brake is known as disc brake. So you look at this wheel, and this is known as this disc brake. So due to friction, the thickness of the disc may vary. So it may damage because of the frictional force. So when the brakes of the vehicles are applied due to friction, these brake pads are disc and the moving part of the wheel. So it is directly in contact with the moving part of the vehicle, and these pads and the moving part of the vehicles gets damaged. So the brake pads or the disc brake of the vehicles have to be replaced quite often. So friction reduces the efficiency of machines. So this one is the motor. So after using a long period, you may have had a vibration sound because the shaft will get damaged. So as a result, it will make a lot of noise. So it will reduce the efficiency of this motor. So here you look at the pictures. In order to improve the efficiency, oil is pouring on the machinery parts. So the friction produces heat which may damage machines or tires. Look at this picture. So due to frictional force, there will be heat. Heat will be produced. So in order to reduce heat, we will make a supply of water or oil. So here the person is burning out. So by pressing the brake, if you keep on accelerating your vehicles, then your tire will get damaged. So due to frictional force, there will be lot of heat will be generated. As a result, smoke is coming out. So friction wears out the rubbing machine parts. So the next disadvantages is friction slows down the motion. So here you look at this person, he is moving in a sliding board. So sliding board la porappo konjam dooram ponumna sliding board nindrum. So after stopping, once again you want to accelerate this skating board. So here also this example we have already seen. So this is the bowling game and this is known as bowling ball. So after traveling some distance, the speed of the bowling ball decrease. Why? Because of the frictional force between the surface of the ball and the lane. Okay, and this one is the football, and after traveling some final distance it come to rest because of the frictional force with the ground. So here the next topic is methods to increase friction. So making the surface of an object rough enough, we can increase the frictional force. You can see on the walls of some of the houses, the walls will be made very rough in order to pick up the paints quickly. So as a result, you will get a dark impression like this. So grooves are made in the shoes of players to increase friction and prevent slipping. So here you can see the grooves in the shoes, which is used to increase the friction between the soles of the shoes and the ground, so that the players will not get slip on. So gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hands to increase friction for a better grip. You look at this diagram. So before going to perform the gymnastics, the gymnast will apply some coarse substance on their hand to provide to increase the friction for better grip. And in this picture you can see the kabaddi players rub their hands with the dry soil to increase the friction for better grip on the opponent players. So methods to increase friction. What are the methods to increase the friction? Machine belts are made up of special materials to increase the friction and drive the machine wheels properly. So here you look at the machine belts, and it is very well grooved in order to provide the proper frictional force between the pulley and the belt. So that it will work properly without slipping. And what is this you are seeing in the picture is aeroplane. So here the aeroplane and bird are flying similar to each other. So we can construct the aeroplane by using the aerodynamics. So why? Because streamlining the shape of an object in motion. So fast moving objects such as aeroplanes, boats and birds are streamlined. By using the aerodynamic technique, they will be streamlined, that is designed with curve and sloping surface to cut through the air and reduce the drag. Drag means the opposing force. So what are the methods to reduce friction? So making the surface smooth by polishing the surface, we can reduce the friction. By polishing the surface, we can reduce the friction. Lubricating the moving parts with lubricants such as oil, grease and fine powder, we can reduce the frictions. So fine powder is sprinkled on the carom board in order to reduce the frictional force between the striker and the surface of the carom board. So the use of wheels reduces the frictions. So these wheels helps us to reduce the friction. Then converting sliding friction into rolling friction, wheels are used in trolleys and bearings are used in machinery parts. So here is the ball bearings which is used to convert the sliding friction into rolling friction. So this helps us to reduce the frictional force between the two parts of a machine. So the next one is inflated tires and tubes. What do you mean by inflators? That is a tube is filled with proper air is known as inflated tires. So under inflation means you will see this kind of shape in tires. Over inflations mean you have filled excess of air inside this. So as a result, the shape of the tire will be like this as a bulge one. So this one is a proper inflation. Inflations means the best tread wear. So it is properly filled with air. So that's all, my dear students. I hope you understand the concepts in this class. Thank you very much for your cooperation.